Companies are built on knowledge. In the pharmaceutical industry, quality assurance is at the core. There are pharmaceutical regulations that govern good manufacturing practices. These regulations are in place to safeguard end users and also to ensure a reliable drug manufacturing system. Manufacturing drugs includes a balancing of many parameters. Quality control tests on the products and the maintenance of batch-to-batch consistency demand tedious manual inspections. This must be in line with FDA's cGMP guidelines. Any failure in this regard could invite heavy penalties and even the suspension of licenses. John and Jane, scientists, are looking at the data from all the batches to check if the output is within the defined regulations and production limits. John tells Jane that he sees some variance in the output of batches 5, 6, and 7. As it is not within the acceptance criteria, the output is scrapped. John and Jane must now perform a root cause analysis to find out where things failed. Since the data has to come from various machines, and it is in varied formats, it takes quite a long for them to perform the analysis. This results in an excessive wastage of time and money. What if quality assurance could be automated and predicted instead of waiting to analyze the data after everything goes wrong? Had the organization used eccenca corporate memory, John and Jane could have performed the root cause analysis effortlessly. They could have also got an integrated and knowledge-infused view of the data across silos that is in line with the cGMP guidelines. Our platform also enables the organization to hyper-automate and digitize the monitoring and validation by leveraging John and Jane's knowledge on regulatory compliance, product quality, and manufacturing. If our machine can understand and support John and Jane in performing manual repetitive tasks, they have additional time to work on further research or use their time to do other things. eccenca corporate memory enables you to capture expert knowledge and link it to data about events, machines, products, people, and processes, amongst others. It allows companies to identify risks and mitigate process failures. This results in an increase in quality and volume of products, leading to potentially better and cheaper medicines. So, companies share insights, not just data. eccenca corporate memory links this documented expert knowledge with incoming data and uses it to ensure the right data is saved at the right time.
Infuse your data with knowledge. Visit us at eccenca.com.